Hey guys, welcome back to another Crypto World's weekly recap where I'm giving you that cryptocurrency news that's been going on all week. So I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. For those of you on Patreon, I hope you guys are looking forward to a great weekend. And let's go into the news articles and what's been happening in crypto this week. So here we go. First up, we have America's oldest bank to launch institutional crypto custody service. At launch, BNY Mellon's upcoming crypto custody platform will support Bitcoin and Ethereum. The Bank of New York Mellon Corporation, better known as BNY Mellon, is reportedly gearing up to become the first bank to enter the global digital custody space later this year. According to a report published by City AM on February 24th, BNY Mellon's upcoming custody will be aimed at institutional clients, enabling big players to hold their Bitcoin and Ethereum in banks' crypto wallets. So okay, yeah, right there it says like this is what's going to be happening when we get more banks entering in. Like all last year, banks are about to offer it to their clients, but they're only offering it to their wealthiest of clients. And now right here, them saying enabling big players to hold their bitcoins now with the bank. So yeah, that's pretty cool though. But like a bank's getting ready that they're going to start offering it to them. And see BNY plus chain analysis. We're thrilled to be the first global systematically important bank with plans to utilize chain analysis risk management software as a component for the strategy to develop cryptocurrency services for our clients. So yeah, they're using chain analysis to be their custody holders and blockchain technology for that. So very nice. But again, people, I always recommend being in control of your cryptos and getting yourself a non-custodial wallet, whether it be Exodus, whether it be a Treasure, a Ledger, whatever. Just be in control of it rather than keep it with the banks, because who knows what could happen with the bank and then you're shut out of your account. So just be safe out there. But pretty cool that banks are getting involved. More banks. Like this is the oldest one, so that's what's cool about it. So yeah, that's that. Let's go on. If you missed it earlier this week, we finally have signaling for Litecoin's biggest upgrade of all, and this time starts today, February 25th. So yeah, this is when this article was written. The window for Litecoin miners to start signaling for Mimblewimble extension block, otherwise known as MWeb, starts today. This is Litecoin's biggest upgrade of all time. Litecoin has been running flawlessly since created in 2011. However, how does the miners signaling work? Well, approximately every 2 weeks, 8,064 blocks to be exact, a signaling window is open to allow for Litecoin miners to vote for the upgrade. During this time, if 75% of the mined blocks have signaled for an upgrade, then Litecoin upgrade will take place. If less than 75% of miners signal, then the next window will open and the miners can vote again. This will go on until either 75% of the vote during one of the windows or until 1 year from the first signaling window. So the progress can be tracked here, right here on litecoinsignals.quest. As of right now, there is 7 days until the next window, and we have 3.75% of people who have actually voted for it. The goal right on this chart is 75%. So if we can get that, Mimblewimble is activated. Now we're going to have private transactions where if you send one Litecoin from person A to person B, they will not be able to see what's in your wallet. And that's a huge issue that needed to be solved with cryptocurrencies. So very awesome. I look forward to this being implemented. If not sooner, we get to look forward to it February 2023. So exciting times. Moving on. Next up, El Salvador's Bitcoin-fueled vet hospitals opens this week. Yes, so the massive pet hospital located in San Salvador will open its doors on February 26th, as each procedure will only cost 25 cents worth of Bitcoin. That is amazing. Nayib Bukele administration announced that the veterinarian hospital built by Bitcoin profits will open on Saturday. The president revealed that each treatment will cost 25 cents worth of Bitcoin. Now, not just daydreaming, apart from becoming the first country to embrace Bitcoin as legal tender, El Salvador has purchased the primary cryptocurrency on a macroeconomic level. In October 2021, the government disclosed they will use its $4 million profit from the investment to create a massive veterinarian hospital in San Salvador, the capital. Just 4 months after the announcement, the facility will open its doors. The exact date is February 24th at the hospital named Chivo Pets, which will stay open 24/7. It will have operating rooms, rehabilitation, hospitalization, quarantine rooms, and other medical features. It is worth noting that the hospital bears the name of Chivo Bitcoin Wallet. The latter that the latter is a mobile app allowing people and businesses to facilitate crypto transactions. The Bitcoin-loving president, Nayib Bukele, informed that each hospital procedure will only cost 25 cents worth of BTC as customers could apply any wallet. So very, very cool. Like, I really hope we can see this elsewhere, like as more countries start adopting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And then, yeah, so this is really, really cool and good news, making El Salvador look a lot more nice to move down there. Sure, I know it's a whole other country. People always said that they were a third world, but they are going to be progressing a lot faster than the rest of the world, who doesn't soon start accepting Bitcoin as legal tender. So very nice and very good news. Next up in the news, eBay is to add crypto payment options soon, says CEO. So woo, let's try to get the young people to purchase items on eBay with cryptocurrencies. I guess this is their way of trying to get the millennials and Gen Z. So yeah, the e-commerce giant aims to become the marketplace for millennials and Gen Z. And given their rising interest in crypto, add new payment options to lure in the customer base. So like, I'm not sure if this is going to really lure in more customers or whatnot, but hey, they got to try, but they're trying to upgrade as time goes on. But yeah, major e-commerce marketplace eBay could integrate crypto payments soon, said CEO Jamie Lennon in a recent interview. The internet marketplace is among the oldest e-commerce platform, now looking to become the go-to platform for Gen Z and millennials. The CEO said in an interview with The Street that the firm has been looking to integrate crypto payment options for quite some time, and an official announcement could be made during the upcoming Investors Day on March 10th. In his interview, Lennon revealed that the e-commerce giant is looking to transition to new payments modes, as they are already managing 85 billion of the volume on its platform directly. So yeah, so the article goes on with the interview, what he's talking about, why he's doing it. But yeah, so eBay could soon have crypto payment options. So woo, who else really actually even uses eBay anymore? I know I still sell some on my own personal platform, but like I never really make purchases anymore. I used to back in the day with like Magic the Gathering cards, which is funny because that's kind of what got cryptocurrency started too, with the Mount Gox situation, which stands for the Magic the Gathering. So very funny, but yeah, eBay's adding crypto payments. So woo, we really look forward to that. Hopefully soon, just like how Uber said they want to start adding payment options too with cryptos. All right, so let's move on to our next article. Google launches blockchain division and grows Web3. So, yeah, Google, a big tech giant in the industry, is getting involved. The mega conglomerate is making it no secret that they will be entering the crypto world as blockchain technology usage continues to grow in the marketplace. Alphabet goes crypto. Google is preparing to make its long-awaited entry into the crypto sphere. The company is tasking engineering vice president Shiva Kumar Venkataraman to lead the division under the Labs group. The move comes as other big tech corporations like Meta continue to shift towards blockchain technology. Google already services blockchain companies like Hedera, Data Labs, and of course Dapper Labs. The Labs group is a division within Google that serves to put forward the many new innovative tech the company plans on rolling out. The division focuses on augmented reality and virtual reality, and also hosts other projects like its in-house incubator Area 120. It is expected that any initiatives to shift towards accepting cryptocurrency payments from end users will come from within the division. So yeah, very nice. Like, I'm not sure who, where are you? Division under Labs groups. Here we go. I'm not really sure who Hedera or Dapper Labs are and what they do, but I do know Theta is all about sharing a broadband. They're also about, what are they doing? They're going to have file sharing on there. What else do they do? They do so much more stuff. They also do video streaming, and all through blockchain technology. So Google will implement that technology as well as whatever Hedera and Dapper Labs do. So very, very nice and very cool. So that's something to look forward to. Awesome. Moving on. Lawmakers has removed the Bitcoin ban from the latest version of EU's crypto legislation. So yeah, they removed it. They were first trying to ban and regulate cryptocurrencies, but now, as tensions in Russia and Ukraine and crypto's adoption just happening faster than ever, they removed the ban. Legislative language that appeared poised to bar proof-of-work tokens from the EU is gone from the bill that is set for votes in the coming weeks. In news that BTC Echo, broken European MP Stefan Berger confirmed on March 1st, the latest version of EU's Markets in Crypto Assets, or MICA, directive has been stripped of the passage that many feared would lead to a ban on cryptocurrencies that use proof of work, namely Bitcoin. The rapporteur from the legislation, as the head of the Econ Committee, Berger, last week delayed votes that had scheduled for February 28th in a response to outcry over the offending language today, in announcing that the paragraph in question had been removed, and he also said that the committee still needs to vote on the provision. Here is Stefan Berger, and a copy of the latest version of the draft bill obtained by the bloc. The part of the bill redacted began, as of from January 1st, 2025, crypto assets issued, offered, or admitted to trading in the union shall not be based or rely on environmentally friendly, unsustainable consensus mechanisms. The consensus mechanism shall comply with minimum environmental sustainability and standards. So that's cool that they're removing that ban. They're still probably going to try every way they can to regulate cryptocurrencies, but the removal of the Bitcoin ban is gone. So that's good news. So very nice. Look forward to seeing what else is going to be happening in the weeks to come. Moving on. In honor of Women's History Month, women's interest in crypto grows, but education gap persists, and they say study. The survey of 1,031 female Americans between the ages of 18 and 65 discovered that 15% of women are interested in a career in crypto. Here we got ladies showing off each other's coins. Look what I got. Woo! But even though female investors are increasingly interested in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, there is still a significant knowledge gap when it comes to these topics. A new study reveals that BlockFi noted that a third-party survey panel conducted the study on January 28, 2022, and includes 1,031 female identifying Americans between the ages of 18 and 65. According to the recent study by BlockFi, focused on the shifting attitudes towards cryptocurrency. 92% of women surveyed have heard about crypto, with almost 1 in 4, 24% percentage-wise, already owning some. In contrast, 80% still find it difficult to understand, and 72% believe investing is too risky. But per the study, over the 1/3 of women intend to purchase cryptocurrencies in 2022, with 60% of respondents saying they would buy crypto in the next 3 months. The study points out that while wilder cryptocurrency adoption is still low, the majority of female crypto owners are purchasing and hodling. In 2022, the crypto market has already seen a lot of volatility. Still, women's confidence in long-term crypto investments is unwavering, with most women purchasing Bitcoin at 71%, Dogecoin at 42%, and Ether at 18%, says the survey notes. 24% of the participants own cryptocurrencies, according to the survey. Of those who do, 70% are hodlers and having acquired the asset but never selling it, compared to 55% of the market as a whole. Per the survey, almost 45% of the women said they knew how to buy cryptocurrencies, and that's up from about 23% 6 months ago. So very, very nice. So yeah, women are getting more interested in cryptocurrency, and that's awesome. That's good news. We need that. But not just women, we need the rest of the world to get educated. We need our kids to be educated on it. Old guys, good luck. Sorry, I'm not discriminating against you guys who are older, but everyone needs to be educated on cryptocurrencies out there. Not just women, the kids, the men, the older generation, because this is the future where we're headed. And just all you gotta do is study. And if you need help getting studying or education on cryptocurrencies, Crypto World is here to offer educational classes, online classes very soon, so we can help educate the world. So awesome news. So here, let's move on now to our next article. One of Bitcoin's harshest critics now admits being wrong about crypto. So yay, another millionaire is admitting that he is wrong about cryptocurrencies. On Tuesday, March 1st, a well-known billionaire hedge fund manager, call him a millionaire? A billionaire hedge fund manager admitted being wrong about crypto and said that his firm has to give serious consideration to being a market maker in crypto. Kenneth C. Griffin is the founder, chief executive officer, and co-investment officer of Citadel. On October 4th, 2021, Griffin addressed the Economics Club of Chicago during a conversation with Bloomberg TV correspondent Eric Schatzker. Griffin said, "I wish all the passion and energy that went into crypto was directed toward making the United States stronger. What a crazy concept that is, that we as a country embrace so many bright, young, talented people to come up with a replacement for our reserve currency." Well, what he's saying right there is the young are going to be using the technology, so we're not going to be using the old one. But he also goes on in another conversation. I don't have a single portfolio manager who has told me we should buy crypto. Not a single portfolio manager I've heard of a time finding myself wanting to be in a position of being a liquidity provider to a product that I don't believe in. But of course, no portfolio manager is going to tell you to get into cryptocurrencies because they won't make a profit off of it. They don't understand themselves. But we are hearing more and more managers, financial advisors out there say, maybe just get 5% into cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, like they're starting to push forward into it. But he finally said, let's see, where is it? As for Bitcoin, he said, I still scratch my head. And then finally he goes, crypto has been one of the greatest stories in finance over the course of the last 15 years. And I'll be clear, I've been in the naysayer camp over that period of time. But the crypto market today has a market capitalization of about $2 trillion in round numbers, which tells you that I haven't been right on this call. To the extent that we're trying to help institutions and investors solve their portfolio allocation problems, we have to give serious considerations to being a market maker in crypto. So yeah, Citadel's Kenneth Griffin is saying he's wrong, and we're soon get a lot more in most likely this year and next year. Like these next 2 years, we'll be seeing a lot of billionaires finally admitting, like, okay, I got cryptos, I was wrong. People, you need this now. So yeah, that's that news of a billionaire being wrong about cryptos. Moving on. Swiss city of Lugano to pay taxes in crypto via Tether partnership. The ultimate goal is to accept crypto for payment of all goods and services in the city of Lugano, the city administration said. The city of Lugano, the economic capital of the Italian-speaking southern Switzerland, is adopting cryptocurrencies for tax payments as part of a new collaboration with the provider of Tether, the stablecoin USDT. Tether Operations Limited, the blockchain-based platform that powers USDT, the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization, has signed a partnership within the administration of Lugano, according to a joint announcement on Thursday. Tether and the city administration have established a center of excellence for blockchain adoption with the goal of becoming a major European blockchain hub. The collaboration intends to demonstrate the real-world use cases of blockchain by applying it practically in the local community, including adopting cryptocurrency payments and experimentation of blockchain solutions on an urban scale. Tether and the city specifically plan to implement the Lightning Network, which is a second layer added to Bitcoin's blockchain, to overcome the scalability and obstacles of its crypto city infrastructure. And yeah, so they go on talking about, they're going to use Tether to pay their crypto taxes. And I believe they already, as a recording, made Bitcoin legal tender in their little city, country, in their country of Switzerland. So very exciting to hear that Switzerland's going to be the next country to accept Bitcoin. Because we still got Brazil on the line, we got Mexico on the line, and I'm sure Russia is definitely moving towards it from everything going on right now. But yeah, adoption's happening faster than ever, and this is great news for crypto holders out there. And 2 more articles to go. This one's going to be a fast one. Justin Bieber's manager sells mansion for $18.5 million in Bitcoin. Yes, due to the increased popularity of using cryptocurrencies, more and more individuals are turning to the digital assets to purchase and sell real estate. Known for his work in the entertainment industry, talent manager, and media mogul, Scooter Braun recently sold a lakeside Austin property for $18.5 million in Bitcoin, making the biggest cryptocurrency real estate transaction in Texas history and one of the largest in the United States, according to a report from Wall Street Journal. The person familiar with the issue revealed that the transaction was a cash-to-coin exchange, with Braun receiving Bitcoin as a payment. Wayne Vaughn, the CEO of Tyrion, a firm that stores data on the blockchain, is the buyer of the property. Tyrion made a payment to a limited liability company associated with Mr. Braun, according to property records in January 22. So yeah, $18.5 million. And he's Justin Bieber's manager. So we're going to see a lot more of this happening as well. People buying houses, real estate, properties. Who knows? We're soon going to start seeing car payments being purchased with cryptocurrencies, as people are unsure and not know what's going to happen with the markets going on outside. So people are converting over. They're going, maybe I should get into this. And the way to do it the easiest way, instead of purchasing themselves, is let me sell my own property. Let me sell my asset. And as an exchange, we'll use Bitcoin for it. So this was pretty cool, good news. and entertainment news going on right now. So very nice. And lastly, in the news for what's been happening this week, Northern Data partners with the state of Oklahoma. Data center acquisition also on the table. So yeah, the German founded organization, Northern Data AG, a pioneer in the areas of high-performance computing, GPU, and ASIC-based solutions, has formed a partnership with Oklahoma in the collaborative effort to advance their vision. The complete information and updates about the strategic partnership that has been set in motion and is still undergoing the due diligence are yet to be publicly published. However, it had earlier been explored in an earlier strategy presentation published by the company toward the end of September 2021. The opportunities galore. The partnership brings forth innumerable opportunities for both Northern Data and Oklahoma. The negotiations of the collaboration include Northern Data acquiring and deploying more than 100,000 ASIC systems in North America by the end of the financial year of 2022. Northern Data establishes its operations over a data center site and location that is yet to be disclosed to the public. Oklahoma will supply up to 250 megawatts of power in the data center. The target is to be achieved over a prolonged period. It includes achieving 10 megawatts by quarter 2 of 2022, followed by 50 megawatts in quarter 4 of 2022. And consequently, the targeted total of 250 megawatts by the end of 2024. For completion of the development of the once 2024 hits, that's going to cut the supply in half, and now it's going to be 3.25 Bitcoin as a reward per block on the blockchain. So yeah, these guys out there want to get up and running as fast as possible. They want to make the best deals they can, and energy costs, because everywhere is different. I know in El Salvador with the founders group, with Bitcoin Ben's team, we're saying like we're going to get a nice deal of 2.5 cents per kilowatt of energy. So that is going to be very, very nice and cheap. I know also, I think it might be Illinois or Michigan, I can't remember. Somebody's got a deal with where they're getting half cents per kilowatt with the state. But yeah, so states are getting involved. They're setting up data centers. Like US is going to be huge for mining around the world. And with 100,000 ASIC miners going in, that's crazy. So yeah, good news on more adoption and Bitcoin mining just to secure the Bitcoin blockchain itself. And yeah, awesome. So yeah, that is it for the cryptocurrency news as of recording this video. Bitcoin's price is at $41,477. That price can change by the time you guys see this on Sunday. This is a price for our Patreon members. You can sign up for our Patreon account down below. I got links for that. Or you can just keep following us here on the YouTube channel. This will get released on Sundays. Also on our YouTube channel, we have Bitcoin Ben and Jeff Wade, founder of Crypto World, have their weekly talks. What's going on? I got my weekly updates. And what else do we post? We have our Cryptos Over Coffee on Tuesdays. We stream that live on our site as well. So be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that way you don't miss a beat on what's happening in the crypto world. So thank you guys for watching. Until next week, the Crypto Sherpa is out.